Hey, guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will unlock a treasure in front of you and give a solution for a global teenager's problem: how to make money as a teenager in 2022. So if you want to be on the right path and want to know how to make money as a teenager in the online world, which is full of scams, then watch our video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as we are going to tell you different ways of how to make money wisely. Nowadays, everyone wants to make money, especially teenagers who are almost going to start their practical life. They don't know how to choose the right way to make money. So dear viewers, in this video, we will tell you how you can easily make money online without making many efforts and by using your skills and hobbies as your job. Suppose you are a teenager and cannot go out to earn money because of your studies and other issues. In that case, you don't need to worry because the internet offers so many jobs for people of any age with any experience, even for beginners. So, if you are a beginner and have no experience, then this video is going to be beneficial for you. Don't skip any part because the video is full of information. Here we will tell you the 10 best ways to earn money online as a teenager in 2022. YouTube. People believe that if you are camera shy and introverted, you have nothing to do with YouTube. But this concept is incorrect. Because YouTube is still considered the #1 platform to earn money online. But the question is how to make it from YouTube without showing it in front of a camera. Here is the solution if you are a beginner and don't know how to start on YouTube. First, you need to search for YouTube channels with millions of views. In this way, you will learn about the topics people like to watch. You can reproduce those videos, monetize them, and upload them on your YouTube channel. After some time, you will get enough experience to start making your content. Facebook. Besides interacting with friends, Facebook offers you different options to earn money. Here you can do marketing. There are many online work groups available that you should join. Other people from different parts of the world offer work for everyone there. Freelancing. Freelancing is the work from which millions of people are earning their livelihood. This is an ample opportunity for teenagers to make money online. In this, you can start writing your blogs and earn by writing different articles for clients. Starting your own business. Different sites offer small investments if you don't want to invest in a big business. After some time, when the trust will build, you can invest more and start your own business. Content writing. Content writing is one of the most significant opportunities. Many students are doing content writing during their studies and earning a handsome amount of money. Affiliate marketing. Suppose you are not in a position to start your own business. In that case, affiliate marketing is giving you a chance where you have to do marketing for different websites, and you will get paid for it. This is one of the easiest ways to earn money online. Manage social media accounts. Many celebrities and entrepreneurs don't enjoy using social media. But as social media has become an essential part of their life, they hire trusted people to manage their social media accounts. If you are a social media lover, this option will be your only choice. Become a tutor. If you are good at something and can teach people, you can earn easily by teaching online. There are a vast number of people who want help with their assignments and different tasks. So you can guide them according to your experience and get paid. You can also become a language tutor. Event organizer. Suppose you are good at organizing different events and have skills. In that case, you can become an event organizer, and you can also start your own company where you can hire some assistants for your help to organize different events. Video editing. If you know how to create videos, you can also edit them. Suppose you've made some professional quality videos or have performed editing work on other people's videos. In that case, you already have a portfolio of work. And if you have editing skills and are a beginner, you don't need to think anymore. Start offering the services and earn according to you. These were the top 10 best ideas for teenagers to earn money online. Give a try any option, and you will see how you will start earning in a bit of time. Just be aware of the scammers. Hope you like the video. If you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as it will help you stay in touch with us. Press the bell icon to get notified first whenever we will upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, as it will encourage us to provide you with more exciting and informative videos. Stay tuned till next time.